Hello and welcome to Celoxis. In this video, we will quickly cover how to add expenses, and expenses added against a task only. Let's see this in action. Click on the plus button and then expense. You can also do this from Quick Actions menu. For this, three-dot icon on a task to get Quick Actions menu, click on Add Expense. Here, we will have a summary of this expense. You can mark this expense as costable and billable. Click on Add Line Item. Here we will select the type of expense. An admin user can customize this drop-down that is Add New Expense Code. We will select Travel here. In the description, we will enter the details, enter the amount, and the date. If this is a reimbursable expense, select this option. You can also attach a bill to this expense. Let's go ahead and save. A line item is added, and you can add more line items to this expense. For now, let's submit this expense for approval. This was about adding expenses. You can refer to our knowledge base to understand more about expenses. Thank you for watching.